Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sayantani and I'm back again because I'm gonna clean up something today. Welcome back guys. I really hope you guys are doing extremely well. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, then take a minute to subscribe to my channel so that you can become our family member, and also click the bell icon so that you can stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube, because I upload every week. I cannot do anything without DIYs, so as always I'm also gonna share a cute DIY. I think I should stop talking and let's get to the point. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I organized our small laundry room. So without further ado, let's tackle the mess and organize. So first thing first, you have to clean up the space you are gonna attack. I have to admit I was ignoring this place for quite a long time now. So all kind of random stuff ended up here which has nothing to do with laundry. My current laundry room is pretty small and I have to figure out how I can utilize every inches of it. I'm gonna clean up every surface as much as I can because my laundry room will never gonna be this empty ever. So there shouldn't be any dirt underneath. Now I'm gonna go ahead and measure the width, depth and the height of my shelf, and that will give me the rough idea about how many storage containers I will need to fill this space and how I'm gonna organize them. I went to Dollar Tree and decided to get these gray bins. The turquoise color looks very elegant with gray. I like them so much that I got more than what I needed. I'm storing items category wise this time. You can fit at least 8 toilet paper rolls in one box, and that's enough for now. And also you can increase the height if you want, so more rolls I guess. Then I stored all bleach items together. So I went to Walmart and got 2 water containers which were not expensive at all. I'm so happy with this hack that I cannot wait to share. I'm gonna use one to store fabric softener or laundry sanitizer or whatever it is, and the other one would be used for laundry detergent. This is the best laundry hack I have ever done. By the way, if you want high-end storage containers and wanna save some money, then go to Goodwill and you will definitely find something pretty and functional. I paid only $1 for this storage box. It has perfect size for my dryer sheets and Febreze odor eliminating spray. This bottle was 50 cents and I stored some vinegar in it. Then I'm gonna store baking soda in this airtight container. I got this plastic jar from Walmart and this clothespins from TJ Maxx. I prefer to keep stuffs in see-through containers in my laundry room so that everything is easily accessible. As usual, I'm gonna label everything with chalkboard marker so that I can change anytime I want, and there is plenty of room to make mistakes. Now let's talk about the small DIY I was talking about. I took a rectangular cardboard piece and some jute piece. Then I just hand sewed them and covered the cardboard piece neatly. After that I painted the front part white to get a uniform background. Then I took a silver spray paint and covered the surface. Then I just took some yellow acrylic paint and draw some stripes. Then wrote with black acrylic paint and embellish with some cute buttons I already had. It definitely looks cute and funny at the same time. I love the way it came out. If you have a small laundry room, then use the vertical space as much as you can. I'm gonna keep the ironing board vertically and hang the iron as I have limited space in the shelf. This is the final look of my laundry room so far. I kept a small tray to store the cups I use for detergent and fabric softener, and the tray is from TJ Maxx. I kept a laundry bag to store our lonely lost socks. I just love this in-wash scent booster. They have so many different kinds and I prefer this romantic one. I also bought the same brand fabric conditioner and my laundry smells awesome. I'm just reusing the same container as it is airtight and compact. I love this white bright for my white clothes. A little bit makes a big difference. This Tide to go pen is another must-have for laundry. I personally love this product. This gold weired tray is from Dollar Tree and the size is perfect to store random items like these. Another laundry hack I really liked was I bought some fabric softener, then took an airtight glass container and mixed the fabric softener and water in 1:2 ratio. You can get these cute scrub sponges from Dollar Tree, and I soaked 4 of them in there. Then whenever I dry my laundries, I just squeeze 2 of them and threw them in the dryer. A total success, and my laundry smells great. One more thing I didn't get chance to do this time was adding a wall-mounted trash can for the linen. It would definitely be useful and time-saving. This is the only thing missing right now in my laundry room. So another hack is if you have front-loading washer and dryer, then add a shelf on top of it so that you can have a big counter space. You can fold your clothes over there or you can put some decorative items over there because we spend a lot of time in laundry room and it has to look good. I really hope you like this video, and if so, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Please let me know how you tackle your mess in your laundry room if you have a small laundry room like mine. Please comment below if you have any question or suggestion. I would love to know and share your opinion about your laundry room experience. I'm so glad you guys are here. This place is awesome. This tiny little family is growing slowly. So thank you for joining. I upload new videos every week, so I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay well. Bye.